Our story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and a rare model. Features also include keyless entry, heated seats, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. We are pleased to show you the 2015 Model S. Model S is the world's first premium electric sedan. Model S provides an unprecedented driving range without burning a drop of gasoline and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, lane departure warning, backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.